Hey, I'm James. I'm here at the Kim B. Williams Advanced Manufacturing Training Center, also known as AMTC. Let's take a quick look around. Here at AMTC, we have two labs. This is the welding lab. We go over the 4 processes of welding: stick, MIG, TIG, and flux core. Our welding programs are designed to prepare individuals for real-world challenges, giving them the expertise needed to excel in the field. This is AMTC's electrical lab. Here students take what they learn in the classroom and are able to apply it in a residential or commercial setting. The electrical program is also an apprenticeship. That means that students are able to gain on-the-job training. AMTC also has resources for students, including a computer lab where students can get help with interviews, resume building, as well as online testing. Thanks for joining me here at the Kim B. Williams Advanced Manufacturing Training Center.